Hands up! Put your hands up!
On May 18th at approximately 9:04 p.m., the U.S. Border Patrol Tucson sector. Tactical Operations Center advised the Ajo Border Patrol Station that the Tohono O'odham Nation Police Department was requesting assistance from Border Patrol agents to respond to a shots-fired call west of the Manager's Dam village. The police department requested agents meet at the local recreation center prior to responding to the location. Manager Dam Village is located within the Tohono O'odham Nation Reservation and is approximately 142 miles southwest of Tucson, Arizona. The Ajo Border Patrol Station transmitted a request over service radio for any available units to respond at approximately 9:06 p.m. Several agents responded. Acknowledging the request for assistance, the following is a phone call from the Tohono O'odham Nation Police Department requesting assistance from the
United States Border Patrol Tucson sector. Can I help you?
Hi, this is from TOP.
Yes, ma'am.
I have two officers heading to the village of managers, and we got a report of shots being heard. They don't, well, there's, I guess a threat made on a 101 from somebody she has a restraining order against. They just know he lives on the west side of the rec center. So they're asking if you have anybody that can go with them to check in the area of the west side of the rec center. They can meet at the rec center.
Meet up at the rec center, and this is in the village of managers?
Yeah, managers, yeah.
Okay.
2105.
Okay, and you said the house in question, they have a restraining order against each other, or somebody has okay.
I guess he went and reported that the ex-girlfriend was shot. Her and her mom were shot yesterday. So now the girlfriend is saying maybe it's premeditated, that since she keeps hearing shots fired and everybody keeps calling in the village checking on her. So that's why they want, and I guess he does live in that area on the west side of the rec center. So she said he does own a rifle, and they had native contact with him yesterday, so they're going to try to check on him today, or right now, to see if that was him shooting off a gun.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah, they can be at the rec center.
Okay, but so the actual report is shots being fired, correct?
Yeah, everybody said they heard two, but nobody can pinpoint where it came from. They all coming from the west.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Following is U.S. Border Patrol dispatch relaying TOPD's request for assistance to agents in the field.
Hey, just heads up. TOPD's running code. You go.
Sir, just got off the phone with TOPD. They're requesting assistance out in the village of managers. If we have anybody available, they could assist them with a report of a shots fired call. They're wanting to know if we can respond somebody to meet up with them on the west side of the rec center, or actually meet up at the rec center. The house in question is going to be on the west side from the rec center and managers.
10-4. We got any units available to respond to meet TOPD and managers at the rec center?
The team of Scoots heading down, I think, where are you going?
We're in Guvo, so we'll just follow them south from here.
10-4, sounds good.
FTA is also one route.
What's up, man? Anybody here familiar? No. Are you?
What's his name again? I can ask him real quick.
Oh, yeah. You definitely know. He's got two different houses. One is going to be right up here. It's going to be a little guessing game trying to find it. I don't know exactly where that motherfucker is at.
Same. West side is there. He's got a rifle. Are you in contact with him? Sounds good. Okay. Yeah, so I guess he's got access to a rifle, so.
Yeah. A couple of them.
3 nights in a row, you know?
Huh?
2 nights in a row. Last night was Starco.
Oh yeah. So here, going here. Alright, I know this is one of them right here, compound. And he's got another house too. This one right here. So we are right here. And this is house. Right. That house in that house. Okay. This is his house, that's his brother's house.
But there is shots fired, they said?
Yeah. Okay. Reported times 3.
Times 3?
Yeah. Are y'all ready? Alright, it's dark as fuck. All I can say is what?
There's a bunch of your all guys here now too.
Are you guys good?
Yeah, we can go if you're ready.
Yeah, let's go.
Agents followed behind the officer in their government vehicles for approximately 2 minutes and 17 seconds. The officer and agents arrived and parked their vehicles near the individual's residence at approximately 9:35 p.m. Responding agents and the police officer spread out while searching for the man. The officer and agents encountered an individual approximately 103 meters northwest of their parked vehicles, outside of a residence at approximately 9. The individual threw an object towards the top officer as he approached the structure, which landed near his feet. The object was later identified by investigators as a machete in a sheath. Shortly after the individual threw the machete, he abruptly removed his hand, which was holding an object, from his jacket pocket and extended his arm, at which 0.3 agents discharged their weapons after the shooting. A cell phone and cell phone case can be observed near the individual.
You want to watch that side?
Yep.
PA? Yo! See somebody just walk over here? Do you see him? Yo! Is that a PA that just went over here? I don't know. Somebody over here? Motherfucker, dude. What's up, bro, you? I thought somebody just ran this way. Pretty sure somebody ran this way. Told you. Put your hands up.
Put that down.
Put it down. Put it down.
Get on your fucking face.
Hey, put your hands out of your fucking pocket.
Get on your fucking face.
Ceasefire. Ceasefire. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. One down.
Hands out. Hands out.
Put your hands out.
Put your hands out. Hands out. Put your hands out right now.
All agents code 4 so far. Shots fired.
Let me see your hands out. Let me see your hands out.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Give me a second.
Hey,
do not fucking move.
Watch the crossfire.
Don't.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up so we can help you. Put your hands up so we can help you.
Stand by, stand by. We're about to make contact.
Hands up. Still got a gun in his hand.
Hands up.
Spread them out.
Put your hands up.
Spread them out. Put your hands up so we can help you. Hey, somebody go back and get my med kit, please.
Put your hands out, bro. You're gonna get shot again.
Put your hands up. Come on, man. We want to help you.
Let me jump on him.
Put them out. Hey, watch the crossfire.
Do not fucking move. Don't fucking move. Put your hands out. Don't fucking move.
Secure the gun.
Give me 1 second.
It's underneath them. Hey.
Move in.
Get my bag.
Yo, get a med bag. Get a med bag. Hey.
Where's the firearm? Not yet. Hey, we gotta get that firearm.
Hey, go get a med bag.
Hey, are they getting my med bag?
Turn him the other way.
Hey, subject in custody.
The following is body-worn camera video from another agent who discharged their weapon during the incident. The first 2 minutes were recorded during the buffer period and
Hands up!
Hands up! Put your hands up!
Put your hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up right now!
All agents code 4 so far. Shots fired.
Spread your arms out! Spread your arms out!
Slowly,
Got his
slowly,
hands up!
slowly. Give me a second.
Still in his hand! Still in his hand! Crossfire! Fucking move! Watch the crossfire! Let me see your hands! Put your hands up so we can help you! Put your hands up so we can help you!
Stand by, stand
You still got a gun in his hand. Hands up! Spread them out!
by. Hands out!
Spread them out! Put your hands up so we can help you! Hey, somebody go back and get my med kit, please.
Put your hands out, bro.
We can't help you if you don't put your hands out. Come on, man. We want to help you. Put them out. Hey, watch the crossfire. Watch the crossfire.
Fucking move.
Watch
Don't
out.
fucking move. Put your hands out.
Where's the gun at? Where's the gun at? Secure the gun. It's underneath them.
Roll RA.
Hey. Are they getting my bag?
Yo, get a med bag. Get a med bag. Hey,
Yeah.
where's the firearm?
Not yet. Hey, we gotta get that firearm.
Hey, go get a med bag.
Are they getting my med bag?
Turn him the other way.
Hey, subject in custody. Roll.
the following is body-worn camera video from another agent who discharged their weapon during the incident. The first 2 minutes were recorded during the buffer period and
Put your hands out! Put your hands out right now!
Agents code 4 so far. Shots fired.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hey, he's got his hands up. Hang on. It's still in his hand. It's still in his hand. Crossfire!
Fucking move.
Watch the crossfire!
Don't.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands out so we can help you. Put your hands out so we can help you. Hey, stand by. Still got a gun in his hand. Spread them out.
Hands out.
Spread them out. Put your hands out so we can help you. Hey, somebody go back and get my med kit, please.
Put your hands out, bro.
We can't help you if you don't put your hands out. Come on, man. We want to help you. Put them out. Hey, watch the crossfire. Watch the crossfire. Watch out.
Fucking move. Put your hands out.
Where's the gun at? Where's the gun at? Secure the gun.
Give me 1 second.
It's underneath them. Hey. Are they getting my bag?
Yo, get a med bag. Get a med bag.
Yeah.
Well,
Hey, subject in custody.
Hey, we gotta get that
Roll. I'll
Hey,
hold
go
you
get a
a mess,
med
please.
bag.
Hey, are they getting my med bag?
Turn him the other way.
Hey, subject in custody. Roll Aho EMS.
Hey, look at me, bro.
Get him on his back. Get him on his back.
No, it was already the rifle. It's in his pocket, I think, dude. Light me up.
Here, hold on. Find that firearm. Where's that? Did he throw it? That's mine. Can you secure that, please? Yeah. Hey, roll him over, roll him over, roll him over, roll him over. Help me roll him over.
Go this way.
Roll him over, roll him over. How many times does he hit?
A couple. I got an exit. Got an exit right here on the side.
Hey, let me cut this off. Give me some lights, guys.
I'll look for the rifle. Yeah, look for a firearm.
He threw it over here, dude.
He threw the machete at us, dude.
Yeah. Saw him throw something.
Hey, anybody else got shears with them?
Break. We got one tribal member hit multiple times.
You're getting stepped on. You're getting stepped on. They're already talking.
Break. Be advised, we got one tribal member hit multiple times. We're ready to working on the individual right now.
Hey, the Machete's over here.
All right, leave it where it's at.
Don't touch it. Not touch it. Where's the firearm? Was there a firearm? Make sure nobody goes near that.
Hey, help me cut the shit off of them, boys.
We got gloves.
Someone dropped the block though.
You got gloves, bro? Yeah, hold this shit.
Where's I need to find the exit wounds and stuff.
Look, I got one entry or exit right here on the side.
All right. What else? Where's he else? Where's he hit? Where else?
Anybody got latex gloves?
Hey, somebody check for a pulse, please.
He's still breathing. Keep breathing, bro. Keep breathing. Keep breathing, bro. Keep breathing, right? Stay with me. Come on.
I need to find out where his wounds are so I can treat him.
I got one right here on his left side. There's chest and there's one on the left side.
Thanks. I'm cutting everything off right now. I think he's hitting his lower extremity here. Yeah, he's hitting the leg. Yep, I got it.
Come get that arm out.
Hey, somebody check for a pulse, please.
He's still breathing, dude. I just saw him right now.
Look, another.
Hey,
he got hit again right
me.
here in his elbow.
Hey, guys.
It's faint, dude. Real faint.
Let me see.
It's faint.
No pulse? I don't feel a pulse.
He was still
Cody?
fucking gargling right now,
Hey,
dude.
give me blood sweeps. Yep, blood sweeps. Hey, guys. Agents continued to assess and treat the man's wounds for an additional 2 minutes and determined he no longer had a pulse and commenced CPR at approximately 9:46 p.m. Agents requested air life medical evacuation for the man, but were advised air life evacuation was not available due to inclement. Weather agents continued CP until a Border Patrol emergency. Medical technician on scene telephonically contacted a physician at St. Mary's Hospital in Tucson, Arizona. The physician at St. Mary's Hospital pronounced the man deceased at 10:06 p.m. The Pima County Medical Examiner's Office assumed custody of the man's remains pending an autopsy. The decedent was identified as an adult male citizen of the United States and a member of the Tohono O'odham Nation. Pima County Medical Examiner's Office conducted an autopsy on May 19th. The Medical Examiner's Office will release information regarding the cause and manner of death. At the conclusion of their review, investigators recovered this sheath, the day machete that the individual threw towards the police officer at the scene.
Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and be sure to subscribe for more body cam footage daily.